Hey guys, Breaker6 here. I think I figured out how to work my microphone. I hope so. If you're seeing this, then I did figure out how to. We're gonna do some more storm chasing. Pretty sure I said part 5 the last one, which is I figured out how to actually talk again. Then we're gonna do one more, okay? One more. We're gonna do Tornado Howard 2014. We're gonna chase some tornadoes. Went to loads. Well, while loads, I will tell you exactly why my microphone wasn't working. I had it turned off. No wonder it wasn't working. It wasn't on. I'm just an idiot. Almost there. Here we are. Alright. Let's see. Entities. Oh my goodness gracious! There's so many things here. What is this? What are you? That's dumb. Oh. 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 Okay. Well, hold on. I have something for the tornado. I got my nukes working again. Heck yeah, buddy. You're gonna throw this at your tornado. Wonder, can the gravity gonna take it up? No, it can't. Too fat. I did it bad. Oopsie. I blew up the entire map. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dying. Look at the fire over there. Oh my goodness gracious. The gas station got absolutely lit. I want to go see what happened over here. The radiation is getting very bad. I can't even see what I'm doing. I might die. Yeah, there's nothing like. Oh, I died. Oh, hold on, let me just refresh the map real quick. Admin, peanut, everything. There we go. Okay, let's actually get the storm chasing, eh? I have too many mods up here. Oh my goodness. What is this? Okay. Should I drive this? I think it's too big. I mean, I can try it. It definitely get affected by a tornado. I think I told this in a previous video, but I don't know. It sounds like a freaking missile or something. It's pretty slow, which sucks because it's tornado, so you'd be ready to get hit by him. Yeah, we're not gonna chase in this. What is this? Quebec one? No. What in the heck? A bus? No. No. That doesn't work. Should we get a Pontiac? Or a Pontiac? Or a Buick? Nope, nope, nope. That's the one. Nope. Buick. Should we go on these? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I just completely destroyed that line. Thing's nice. Looks like the day it came out. Looks like it did the day it came off the assembly line. Oh, what was that? Okay, so backing in now. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Okay, there's no water doing anything yet. Let's go get. Oh my goodness. Nope. Let me get to watch. Let's get a.
The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth.
Let's get this thing.
Watch for the western and central Texas area. Outdoor radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
I'm gonna get my trusty probe. But by the way, guys, if you're watching this and you want to use this thing, it is on the workshop. I did upload it to the. Actually, we got me there. But I did upload this to the workshop. It's K for the lights and enough had one K for the cameras. I need a rope. I have very many things here. Most of them are useless FNAF things that I don't need for this. Should I attach a bomb to this thing? Touch the gadget. What does this do? That's what that does. Wow, that was cool. Waterfall. What does this do? Oh no. Okay, Timmy did nothing. That's good. Punch that barrel. Oh, it's nothing. Okay, I might want to sit moving. Instead of messing around. That says I'm still messing around. I want to spawn in a thing. Where is it? Here. No, it's down here somewhere. There it is. No, it's an undertow unit. Or an untagged unit. Come on. Oh, don't blow up the building. That's happened before. I'm just gonna park this thing right here. Just chilling. I went the wrong way. I'll give it 9 minutes. Oh, we got 20 now. Let's go. F3. Sorry if the game's a little bit quiet. I'm just making sure you can hear me. If my mic is indeed working. Okay, now. Don't want to get too close to it now. Let's get exactly what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. That's water. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it, but don't take me. Hello? You want the probe or not? Certainly not, but take it. Take it. Take the dang probe. I'm not going to shoot everyone fucking now. There we go. That was one. I see it! Oh, not that. There's the probe! Hi, probe! Oh, where did it go? I don't know. Oh, there it is! Alright, let's go. I'm thinking hit the gas station. I ain't got rid of this thing, this car, the police car. Oh, this thing flying everywhere. There's shelves everywhere. Yeah, it annihilated the poor gas station. Yep. Rest in peace, this gas station. Let's say I might go towards the tank right the farmhouse right now. I might lift before then though. It's either gonna change course or it's gonna cross over. So right now it's on the interstate. Or it's right by it. Oh, there it goes. And this was nice enough to do it to die over here, not on the interstate. Okay. Oh! No, that's not normal. There we go. Okay. Actually, hold on. Let's do this so this thing can actually just stay. We're just gonna leave it right here. This should be the first responder. Let's turn on the lights. Nope, nope. Do that. Turn on the light. Put it code 3. Nope, lights on. Get out, and there we go. First responder. There we go. Actually, hold on, there should be a fire truck too. Because, yeah. There we go. You can't get in a fire truck and not honk the horn. You have to do it. Do it. F. And code 3. There we go. You have to do it like this. There we go. Actually, hold on. Yes. Oh. Tornado. That'll be fine. No, I was hoping to put skid marks down, but I didn't. Alright, good enough. You're getting very close to hitting where we're about the building. Okay, that's good. Let's get on over here. Hello, I'm here now. Nope, 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 there we go. This probably doesn't need to be a very long video because it's too late. It's definitely going to be as long as part 5 was. Maybe as long as part 4. Like 20 minutes or so. Maybe like 30, I don't know. And I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to get a radio for the truck. And I might spawn in a friend. If I have enough time for the video. Whoa! You break one window of the space and all the lights go. Let's get back. Perfect. Whoa! Okay, this side is. It's right there. Oh my god! Touchdown right next to me. I heard it. I don't know if you guys heard it or not, but I heard it. So we don't have enough time for a friend. So we'll do that after this video. No, rope. What am I doing? I don't know. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. I am. I'm loving this series. No, because of the gas is just flying all the way over here. Just ran it over, and now we're spinning out. Dang it. Look at that in the distance though. I think it's moving. It's crossed right in front of us. Holy. Oh! Killed. That was over 100% fail. We're gonna go all the way over, because that thing is hauling ass. We're barely gonna get it here. And it's on. So we're just gonna try to go straight in front of it. There we go. Successful deploy. Oh, bye sign. Okay, let's stop. Okay, we stopped. Watch the probe. Once the probe is damaged. The tornado died, or they just spit it out? Oh, it died. Okay. Well, that didn't last long, but at least you got it deployed. Oh, you went way past it. You okay, bro? You're not okay. Oh. It's not working. Oh, there you go. It worked. I was told if you just beat the crap out of things enough, it'll fix it. And I beat the crap out of it, and it fixed it. So, I guess that guy wasn't lying. This isn't gonna spare me. Because I'm gonna spawn in a friend. One of them gonna spawn in. Very first time for this bus trap. No, I didn't get bus trap. Well, who should I do this time? Soldiers or something, someone absolutely massive, just put them on a rope on the back. That'd be hilarious. Just undo it along with the probe, just watch them go flying into a tornado. That'd be awesome. Do you have fire? No, that's just a light. Do you have fire at the gas station? No, it's just a fire truck, right? Oh, need to watch the dead time. Oh, there's the radio for the gas station. You got spit out. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. I went to the gas station. Okay, we're just gonna park up here. Oh my goodness. Park parking. Can't park spot.
Capable of producing a tornado.
There we go. Perfect.
Moving northeast at 75 miles.
Turn off your lights. It's obnoxious. You too. Oh. I'm gonna try something. It didn't work. Shush. Okay, let's go over here. Add-ons. I have 15 million mods. Oh my goodness, there's so many now. I had a ton before, but now I have even more. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's stay like this. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Yes. This. Negative. Fredbear. Fredbear. Oh, Fredbear. Hello. Should I just put you in a gas station? Wait, hold on, no. Let's get, oh my goodness. Let's get rid of Fredbear. And just shove him in the gas station. He was in the gas station when the guy hit, and now he's all rid of his stuff. Put him over here. Nope, put him over here. No, put him like right here. Right here. Right here. Nope. Right here. There you go. Nope. There we go. Hold on. Right, under the rope. Nope. Yeah, you're heavy. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. That's normal. The door still works. That's starting. Is it changed yet? Just did. Fun time Frosty. You're a midget!
The National Weather Service has
Wow, you're short. Not his name, not that short. He calls me. Dude, maybe. I don't know. Still short. Oh, pick up. Well, I know the real play pickup. Where? Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff here. Goodness gracious.
No shelter is available. Lie flat in the nearest ditch.
What a nightmare. Oh, these guys. I've been looking for these guys. I didn't even install properly. Hello, your ears are way too long. Oh, ignore that thing up there. Just ignore its entirety. Let's get Fredbear, the toy boy. What is wrong with your pelvis? Hey. That's fine. Hey, Fredbear. I like you. Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. I knew who I. Oh my goodness gracious! You're another cake. So gently does it. Weld. You have two buddies. Who are you? Oh, you're plus shot. Prepare plus shot. Why not? You're gonna be right. Where's Tornado? Oh, it's a tornado! It's coming this way. Better hurry up. It's coming fast. No, get in. No. Go. We're getting it, bro. Oh, yeah. We're not a I'm not a big. Oh, God. It's coming back. It's a 12 minute. You're 12 minutes. Well, trying to get my buddy. The police car got stuck up. The fire truck's fine. Maybe I should drive the fire truck. It's not affected by tornadoes, other than the market tornadoes. If you know what I'm talking about, it's in the G disaster. G disasters. Is it dead? No, it's just lagging. Okay, it's doing something. It's this thing right here. I think you can see my mouse cursor. You should be able to. It's right here. It's very powerful. Oh, what's it doing? Oh, it's going right there. What the heck happened there? Why did I break? Did you see that? That fence right there just broke. For no reason. No stuff has in it. Wow. Now I got this one interior walls here. And what in the heck? That does not seem right. Oh no, Fredbear! Fredbear! Where'd Fredbear go? Fredbear was in here. Where'd he go? He was injured. We gotta catch Fredbear, guys. Oh, fire truck time. Look at my truck. Look at fire truck time. Let's not forget about the treadle. So that thing is coming still in the tornado. I wonder if the book's still in the tornado. Tornado coming for you! In the middle of the country. Get in. That's the middle house. Oh, okay. There's the probe. Oh my god! I'm gonna get hit by debris. Dude! Fredbear! I wonder if Predator is making me. It's so tiny, I would never know. Maybe I'm caught up somewhere over there. Right back. You good, bro? Why should you have my GMod on? I wonder if I still have it installed. Ugh! You are stuck in the ground. There you go. I'm gonna look at stuff. I think I might have uninstalled it. I used to have a GMod. I might have uninstalled it. It's the Fortis. It's either disabled or uninstalled. I don't know which one. I think I uninstalled it. What the heck? Okay. I didn't see it. So I guess I uninstalled it. Hey, we have you. Fredbear. You are Fredbear. Oh, oh, no, that didn't work. Yeah. No! That's ugly. That's even worse. No. Oh! There we go. That's what I was wanting. Hey, he keeps getting stuck in the ground. What? Oh my. What was that, bud? Okay, I think we're gonna finish up here with a quick Marsh-nado. I'm gonna get them ready. So you can pull them. Yeah. Let the prep go. I wanna watch it. Okay. So, no more S-bars. I want this. Put that back over. No. What would it be to tank? Leopard. I love leopard. Oh my goodness, somebody got crushed by it. This thing is massive. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna spawn it right here. Get in! We're still alive. Take it down! Oh, that's a control. The police car! They found it! Oh, that's GMod. Nope, everything needed to be. They're see over here. Try me. Try me! He was. I wonder how good this thing would be at something. Let's go. Let's get tape. Let's try. See what happens. No, let me get rid of it. It's very fast. It's really fine if you know what it is. It's kind of wipe it out. Oh, lag. Oh my goodness, it's doing something. No, my goodness, they're getting debris. I love how it just yeets it. It isn't just a thing like other things. It just yeets the debris in every direction. And I love it. Yeah, this thing's pretty fast. It's not the fastest, but it's fast. If y'all want to see me... Sorry, my notes stopped up. Oh my goodness! I wasn't even okay. I wasn't gonna hit at the debris because I got hit by the wind. I'm dead. What happened? But if you guys want to see an episode of this where I just demo on the flat map, I forgot what exactly it's called, but when we're on that map and I'm just messing around with nukes and stuff, just having some good time. Let me know. I'll do it. This thing is insane. This is gonna go far. What's the heck? That's gonna go pick up the fire truck, isn't it? Yeah, it's coming this way. There goes the police car. Oh, there goes the... Oh, there it is. Bye, fire truck! Bye! Bye, have a nice time! I don't know if I got hit by the debris or if I just got hit by the winds. I'm gonna find out. No, it's fucked. Any tank. We're gonna get this thing. It looks fast. It looks fast. No, it's dead. What the hell? This thing's really fast. Oh, there's no one that's funny. Come here, you! Oh, quick away from the wind. Something's just going on, or just gonna just go in that car. No, here we go. goodness gracious! What happened? Oh goodness. What is happening? Oh, I'm coming back! Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm okay. Whoa! They don't work anymore. Fuck. But I'm fine with that. I have tools. It's not working. Track the flat. My track the flat. Get out of here. You. Oh my god, helicopter. Bye. I'm gonna time. I'm a voice crack. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. No! Hello! Every next time. Oh! I should have done that. Oh, hey, don't look at him. It's boring, but this is. Hold on, I know what to do it. I know what to do it. I know what to do it. Oh, I got a camera now. No! What is it in no? What? In it? Okay, we're doing something almost made. Okay. Hasta la vista, bitch! Oh, that. What in the hell? Hold on. No, there we go! That is brilliant. Wow. Oh my goodness! Whoa! This is like copper bombing or something. Right here, look. Yeah, it's time to go up. I thought so. I just did everything. Oh man, my nose is still running right now. Well, I think that's gonna about to do it for this. I'm gonna end on one final note. And if you could guess it, well, you should be able to. Good job. Because yes. Actually, hold on. I got a better idea. We're gonna end. Ignore that. This is what I'm gonna watch. We're gonna end something better than that. Here and there. We're gonna end on. So guys, if you did enjoy this, let me know. And 12 months I die. We're gonna say goodbye. I will see you next time. Make sure to comment what you got down below. Make sure to give me a like, a subscribe, and ring that bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.